Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Squirtle from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Squirtle, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here and go up with a nice tall curve to about right there, and then bring it down to about the same level. Then I'm just going to connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. And then let's come back in here and we're going to draw another curve right on this edge to create the whites of the eye. And then when we're going to come in here, we're going to draw a big oval right in the center. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw a curve right underneath it and then curve in on both sides. So this is where you can put some color. Make it a little bit deeper for the eyes. And then I'll just go ahead and shade this top part all in black. There. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to use this edge right here as my guide to come right across about this wide and draw the other eye. There. So now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, just about right here, and just draw a curve right on the sides. And then we need to draw the mouth. So I'm going to come right down underneath this eye on this edge and come down about this far and give myself a point. And same thing here. Using that as my guide, I'm going to draw a curve. So it's going to be a little bit softer, and it's going to come towards the center and come in. So soft curve, and just kind of dip it in right in the center and go right back up to do the same thing on the other side. There. And then we're going to come to the bottom right about here, and we're just going to draw a curve to open up the mouth all the way to the other side. There. Okay, and then before I forget, we need to come back right here and just draw two curves for the nostrils. And then come in. If you have enough space, you can just kind of draw a curve right here for an indication of the tongue. Okay, then from there we need to draw the head. So I'm going to come to this point right here and come out about this much. Same thing on the other side. Right there. And we're just going to draw a curve that goes up. So we're just kind of following the eye. And same thing here. Just kind of follow the eye. And we're going to come up to draw a big curve to about right there. And just kind of flatten it out a little bit and bring it down. There. And then we're just going to widen out this part a little bit, kind of where the cheeks are, and then bring it in. So we're going to bring this curve right underneath the mouth. And connect to finish the head. Okay. There, finally have Squirtle's head in. Then we need to draw the body, right? So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Kind of as if we're drawing a vest. Bring it down nice and low. So same thing here, right in the center. centering the body nice and low, about right there. And then we're going to go ahead and draw a curve kind of for the tummy area. And before I finish that, let's come back up about right here, and we're going to draw the arms. So I'm just going to bring out a curve to about right here, and then dip it a little bit and come out. And then this part is going to come out. It's going to get thinner. And then right here, we're just going to add in these 3 soft points for the hands. So same thing on the other side. Come down and then to about right here, just going to dip it a little bit and then out. And same thing. And 3. And then we can go ahead and let's see, let's bring this down a tiny bit more. And we need to start the legs. So about right there, I'm going to come in with this curve. And same thing here. And then we can connect for the bottom. And then we can go ahead, come right back to this point and just curve it out for the foot. So come back here, curve it down, and we're going to go out. And once again, just like the hands, but a little bit deeper. Come in and let's see here, just come in and draw 1, 2, and 3, and connect it. So same thing on the other side for the toes. So once again, come out, and we're going to go 1, come out, 2, and 1 more. There. So then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the shell. So right here, we're going to pop out just an indication of the shell, curve, and then imagine it coming through and in. So same thing here. And in. And then for some, let's see, shell pattern, we can draw a straight line right down the center. And stop about right there. And then we're going to split it out on both sides. And so then let's see here, right about in this area, we draw an angle line out and then connect it. So same thing over here. And one more line about right here to split it up. There, so we've got the pattern on the shell. And last thing is, if you want, you can kind of add an indication of the tail just by popping in this curve right here, and then just add a curve right there. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Squirtle from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.